What's up, everybody? JL the Seagull with you once again. I got Big Homie, and I got him slowed down. You know, DJ Screwed, chopped and screwed. You know, Texas style, Tupac. You know, what about Biggie Smalls? Slow him down. You know, and throw in the 432. You know, first of all, let's begin with a prayer. Eastern wind, light my fire, please. Keep me going amongst all of my, you know, people that don't wish me anything well. You know, that genuinely, you know, aloha. Northern wind, already know I gotta have my say. What you think about it? In the kitchen, and I slice it up like Bobby Flay. But you already know I need the purification vibes coming at me. Great White North, the tribe. Going hot, man. Going hot, but I need you to cool me down. Western way of the ancestors. Give me one more chance. Southern way. Dang. The truth is, I'm gonna pray for all of our elders, all of our homeless, all of our homeless people, all of the children, all the people suffering. You know, so they said this was 432, maybe, hopefully, let's hope it is, you know, and I know I like this song, you know, so, Bone Thugs and Harmony, man. Man, a lot going on right now, but I do want to start off by saying this, is that, it would be impossible for me to be able to speak with you with this aloha if I didn't have a clean conscience. And if I didn't have a clean conscience, you know, I couldn't be able to speak to you like this, you know. So, you know, aloha, namaste, you know, namaste, you know. You know, but to all the youth, to all the youth out there, to all the people who maybe are genuine fans of me, I'm gonna let you know that, man, I'm good, man. You know, and with God, I'm good. You know, like, that's, like, so important to realize, is that, you know, God is so good. But there's, like, good is not in charge in the world, evil is. And the thing is, I think a lot of people don't understand they don't understand how real it is. And, like, the thing is, if you, like, you have free will, and you can judge me however you want to judge me, you know, but here's the thing, nobody's perfect. So, to all of a sudden say that one has authority over someone else is is a tremendous no-no. Someone else's life, when I'm realizing that even in this world, I'm barely understanding myself. And I think a lot of people are afraid and stuff, and they don't realize it, because the technocracy is actually hardwired to give you fear. I mean, look it up. There's research, and you don't even realize what's going on. The frequencies, with your mental state, the anxiousness, the anxiety. I want to say this, nobody. I think people may think this and that, but I really just want to also remind people that, I didn't take out my ad, I didn't take out my ad seeking out any kind of personal glory. Oh my God, no. That's because, if anything, it's accomplished the opposite for me, and it comes with the territory. I don't mind that, but guess what, I still remember why I did this, because there are little kids that have died, children, youth, that are suffering, and continue to do so because of this system all around the world. And what is war but a massive blood ritual? And that doesn't mean just children. That means adolescents and adults and the elders. And that's why I'm doing this. I didn't do this because of this and that. I'm doing this because I believe in my heart that people deserve better. And that's what life is about. Life isn't about saying I've got it figured out. Life is about always trying to do better. And that sounds really stupid. I don't care. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna speak my truth. I don't impose myself on anybody. My show is my show. I love my show. I love myself. I love who I am. And there's so much fear. People are just insane. It's gone insane. And I don't want to get caught up in it. You understand me? I don't want to get caught up in this shitstorm. Because it's spiritual warfare. Spiritual. If this is what you're speaking, if this is what's going on, if this is what's causing in your heart, what's causing in your mind, what's causing in your emotional, but because all those two create the third, and of course it's going to radiate into the physical. So I always try and tell people, but they don't care. But like I said, no one's perfect. And I really can't. I'm not really speaking any kind of facts, I'm not speaking facts. I'm speaking opinions. Isn't that ridiculous? These aren't. I'm not telling you what to believe. I'm telling you, what my reality is. Isn't that fucking crazy? I'm telling you what my reality is. And I don't know, people tune in. God bless anybody that actually likes tuning into my show. I just want to give a prayer to all of God's people. all of God's children, and man, thank you for tuning into my show, man. Hallelujah. Blessings upon you. Aloha, no aloha. And people are so afraid these days. People are so afraid, and they don't even realize it. Life is beautiful. The world is a beautiful